Semis taking a hit in today's session. Intel and AMD down 5%, Nvidia down 4%. But Apple, one of the few in the S&P 500, actually closing higher today by nearly 1%. So should you buy any names on this pullback? Joining me now is Melius Head of Technology Research, Ben Reitzes. Ben, thanks for being with us. Now, in Q1, we already saw sort of a broadening out of the tech trade. It was no longer just the mega caps. We saw more sectors participate. Does that continue, or do you think this is an opportunity to pick some of those tech names up?
Well, Deirdre, thanks, and it's good to be here. I do think it's an opportunity. Obviously, this is a tough day. There's a lot of geopolitical tensions playing out in the market. So, you don't know how that's going to go over the weekend. But I think that exacerbated a lot of the weakness we saw today. And you saw First National Bank of Apple outperform because they have recurring revenue and they have a franchise that's really ironclad, in our opinion, over the long term. But I do think it's probably an opportunity. And AI is going to be with us a long time. We're just getting started. And NVIDIA's got a great new product cycle. AMD's got a great product cycle potentially ahead. So we are optimistic over the long term and hope this weekend is a little quiet, God willing.
First National Bank of Apple, you're referring to its stellar balance sheet, its huge cash pile. Is that why you buy Apple right now as a safety play, almost a defensive versus innovation, growth? It's not growing anyways.
Well, I mean, when you lose your iPhone, it may be more of a crisis than losing your car. So I think that their franchise is very strong right now. We all know that China's a little weak, but they're going to lay out their AI strategy. And I think it'll be very thoughtful. It'll reinforce their app store. It'll reinforce a potential for a major upgrade cycle, probably in 2025. So I think the speculation about Apple's demise is way overblown.
What about speculation? It doesn't have an AI story. Where are you on that?
Oh, I think that's false. I think that Apple doesn't necessarily make the apps. They make the apps we use better. And they'll do the same for AI. A lot of the best apps we have on the iPhone are not Apple's apps. A lot of people complain about Siri, and we can't live without the device anyway. So I think it'll be the same for AI, and they'll have a lot of edge processing and make AI enjoyable for the masses.
Okay, aside from Apple, what are you picking up if you're looking to buy technology on the dip? Is it the Magnificent Seven, the Fab Four, or are there other areas you can look?
Well, we still like NVIDIA. I think that, the pullbacks here are an opportunity. They have a new product cycle. The speculation that they wouldn't have pricing power, et cetera, and that 2025 wouldn't be a growth year, I think have been debunked. So I think we grow next year. Earnings are still going to be revised higher over the long term. So I still like that one on weakness. A real interesting one here would be AMD. It's gotten pummeled. There's some speculation of execution issues with their AI chip. They probably get it right over the long term. So I think you want to nibble there on weakness.
Right.
AMD.
That's not the only thing hitting AMD today, though. There's also those China concerns. You mentioned it when it came to Apple. You kind of underplayed it, right? How big a concern is it for the chip sector and some of the names we're seeing sell off today, like Intel and AMD?
Well, it's funny. Nothing's ever in the stocks. You think it is. I mean, we all know about China. We've known about it for Intel. Some say it's a single-digit percentage of sales that could go away for Intel, maybe a double-digit percentage for AMD. We've known about this. So this is not necessarily new news, but when it hits, it hits. And we think combined with the lack of buyers today, it exacerbated it. But the China stuff, I think is old news, and we'll make our way through it. But look, they're going to need at AMD to execute in AI, and we think eventually they will, even if they have a near-term bump.